is Red Feather from Greppax. In this Krita video, we will be showing you how to use brush smoothing. Notice we are utilizing version 5.1.5 of Krita. Once you have opened Krita and created a new canvas or document, if you will, being on the brush tool, click on Tools and Options. Notice the area in the Krita Tools and Options that says Brush Smoothing. And to the right of that, the drop-down menu. And right now, it is set to None. In some cases, you may want there to be none, depending upon what you are going for with your Krita created piece of art. Now notice the difference in smoothness between each one of these Krita smoothing settings as we toggle through them. Now, keep in mind, you are the artist here, and sometimes a rustic look works to perfection. But it is your original work. Notice as we toggle to the Krita weighted smoothness, there are other settings that could be adjusted. But for this example, we will leave them at their default settings. For the last Krita smoothing setting, called the stabilizer, notice the circle around our mouse. This appears to give an added space boundary for ease of placement within a piece of artwork. When creating a piece of art, whether in Krita or anywhere else, the last thing that should come to mind is whom will like this. The most important thing is, do you like it? And is the final Krita art project what you are going for? Critics come out night and day and say all kinds of things, some very nice and some not so nice. But when looking at a piece of art, whether from Krita or otherwise, the beauty is within the beholder, the one viewing the art. Now you will notice we have saved our Krita final piece of art a couple of different ways in order to show how they could be applied. We hope you have enjoyed this Krita tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? And ring that bell in order to receive notifications your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.